In today's video, you'll learn how to add any type of captions to your videos without needing any editing experience. First, open your favorite editing software. I'll be using CapCut for this tutorial. Import your video, drag it onto the timeline, and trim the section you want to edit. For this example, I'll be using a 10-second clip, because OmniFlash only generates 10-second clips. Next, go to Auto Captions, choose any random font, and click Generate. Don't worry about how the captions look right now. We're only creating a reference. Once the captions are generated, export the video. Now, take a screenshot of the very first frame of that exported video. After that, open ChatGPT. Upload the screenshot along with the caption you want to replace it with. Then, paste this prompt. Match the exact same text style as the reference is given. The text should be the same as written. You know if you feel bad. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate an image with your new caption while perfectly matching the original text style. Now, head over to Flow AI. Upload both the original video and the newly generated image. Then, paste the prompt I've provided in the description below and click Generate. And that's it. As you can see, Flow AI automatically replaces the old caption with your new one while keeping the exact same font, style, animation, and positioning. And just like that, your video is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more AI editing tricks like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.